What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Screamin Eagle Racing Pro Billet Clutch Basket. Originally developed by the Harley-Davidson Factory Race Team for competing in the Mission King of the Baggers series and featured on the CVO Road Glide RR model, this performance piece is now available for your motorcycle. It is precision CNC machined from premium 7075 T6 aluminium for superior strength and durability and has a hard anodized finish for superior wear resistance. Assembled to a new ring gear and bearing for quicker installation. It's finished off with a laser-etched Screamin Eagle logo. The Screamin Eagle Racing Pro Billet Clutch Basket is designed for 2017 and later Milwaukee-Eight engines. For more information, head to harley-davidson.com or check with your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.